Kwa mbele ni jatend piny Kenya William Ruto golo chik ne migao mar ohala mondo ne ni Kenya obedo kod chai mare wuon kendo ma inyalo chwal ne pinje maoko. Ruto wacho ni Kenya winjore koro obed kod nying moyiedhi mar chai michwalo ni chirni maoko mondo mi okony jopur e jiwo yuto margi. Ruto loso e kar romo mar KICC e Bure Nairobi kae kano yawa yanga tielo mokwongo mar chai ma idhi usi e piny Ghana e bwo riwruok mar timo ohala e Afrika miluongo ni Africa Continental Free Trade Area gi dho ngere. Ruto jiwo jopur ni omany sir mar jiwo pur margi kokalo e riwruok mar jopur chai miluongo ni KTDA.
Increased market access is our top priority to grow the earning for our tea farmers. We are therefore happy to take this opportunity to diversify our market from our traditional predominantly bulk tea markets to value-added markets like Ghana.
We have identified other markets in Mauritius, in Cameroon, in Egypt, of products that we will be piloting under this initiative, and my colleague who is taking over from this role will have the responsibility of supplying you with a report on what is being done.
We need a brand, a Kenyan brand. And we are going to work with Keteba, we are going to work with all the other players so that we can focus. For a very long time, Kenya has produced tea that has helped everybody brand their low-quality tea. I think it is time we help ourselves. We have helped everybody, which is fine, but it is time we ourselves take the advantage of our good quality tea and brand it, and anybody else who wants to use our good quality tea must come and work with us.